What I have on my right eye is a contact lens. So let's fix it together. So you're going to be fixing my contact lens with me. Now, if what you have is this type of contact lens that doesn't come with kits, it doesn't even come with something. No, this one comes with something like this. If you have that type of contact lens that doesn't come with this, you might need to get this kit right here. I don't know if this is available worldwide. Yes. Inside this, we have there is this. In case your lens is that type that doesn't come with this container where you can put your contact lens when you take it out, there is this. There is this tiny bottle for putting in your solution. Yes. There is this also. This is supposed to be for taking off your lashes, but I prefer to do it with my hands. Then lastly, there is this. This is what you use to apply the lenses. So all these are inside this stuff here. To fix the lenses, you want to make sure that your applicator, if you're using this, you want to make sure that it is very clean. If you're using your fingers, you have to make sure that your fingers are very clean so that it won't irritate your eyes. Okay, always make sure that your lens is inside the solution. I don't want my own to pour. Oh, can you see that? Always make sure that it is inside the solution. Some use clean water also, but I prefer to use the solution. Okay, some say that the solution do irritate their eyes, so if solution does that to you, use clean water. Okay, when you want to fix your lens, your contact lens, if you want to fix on the right eye, what you're going to do is that you're going to take your mirror. This is the mirror I'll be using today. Take your mirror and place it by your left. The reason why you place your mirror by the left is so that when you want to fix your lenses, you keep your eyes straight, then you look towards the left. I did not say move your face. No, your face is going to be straight. Move your eyes towards where your mirror is. By doing that, you're moving this black eye towards the inner corners of the eye. Yes, just like this. Do you know that this black eye is the one, I think, is that the pupil words? This is the one that is sensitive. You see this white one, you can literally touch it. See, you can touch this white one and nothing will happen. You won't blink. But this black one, you can't touch it. So you're moving it to the inner corner. You're moving it to the sides. And then you're moving it to the side like this. Then you take your hand, lift your eye up because you're going to put the lens here. This is where you're going to put it. So let's do that together. Okay, I'm going to use this to pick the contact lens. I have my contact lens now on the applicator. Can you see that? So let's do what I told you. I am going to keep my face straight, like I said. Keep my eyes to where the mirror is right now, with my face straight. And with this other hand, I'm going to pull up the upper part of my eyelid like this. And then I will look towards the inner corner, moving the black eyes away, and then I'll pull this. So you see that, then you move your eyes. Before you close your eyes, you take your eyelid up and then you bring it down. And then you move your eyes. It's normal if tears should drop. Can you see that? Simple as ABC. Now your contact lens has been fixed. Then if you're the type that your contact lenses do irritate once you put it, all you're going to do is just take that your solution and then drop like 2 drops of it. Close your eyes, open it, and everything will be clear. Yeah, I hope you now know exactly how to fix your contact lenses. Till I see you in my next video, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.